Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. A lot of confusion today. Yesterday, the Chinese mid-cap market fell 8% and today morning it shot up. And not only that, even the Hong Kong index shot up nearly 4%. So probably that is one of the reasons why there was a good amount of short covering in our markets today. Then the news came, HDFC Bank was allowed to buy 9.5% stake in IndusInd Bank. Then the news came, Yes Bank shot up 10%. And again the news came, HDFC Bank was allowed to buy 9.5% stake in Yes Bank. I was totally confused. Why HDFC Bank will go and buy other banks? And then another news came, HDFC Bank was allowed to buy 9.5% stake in 6 different banks, including ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. It was really puzzling. And then the clarification came that it is not HDFC Bank, it is HDFC Group. I really don't know how come RBI can give this kind of statements. So anyway, mutual funds and insurance companies, they are classified as domestic institutional investors. They are anyway allowed to buy 5% stake in each company. So I think RBI has allowed them to buy up to 9.5% stake. Then everybody was focusing on HDFC Bank. And you may remember about 1 week before, in US market. So when in India, HDFC Bank was down 1.5%, it shot up 3.5% in US. So everybody was expecting HDFC Bank to go up by 5%. But that day nothing happened to HDFC Bank, but Reliance Industries shot 7%. Same thing happened today because of this IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank, 9.5% stake, this and that. When everybody was focusing on HDFC Bank, nothing happened to HDFC Bank, but TCS shot up 4%. And Tata Group is worth more than 30 lakh crore as of today, of which 50% comes only from TCS. I remember seeing TCS share price trading around 3,200, 250 like that in few months before. Now it has decisively crossed 4,000 and even 4,100. So today it is all about IT stocks that rallied, but banking stocks, as usual, very, very volatile. And now with this today's fall, bank Nifty has fallen more than 1,000 points from last Friday's high. So it was totally disappointing. Only ICICI Bank was looking good since morning, but later HDFC Bank also recovered. But other banks like Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, State Bank has not done very well. So anyway, today Nifty future closed exactly at 22,000. So at least that is something very, very positive. And I would say it's a big win for bulls. So I told you already, Nifty should not continue to fall. And if Nifty continues to fall, then 22,125 will be taken as a double top. But now markets rallied, and if it would have been better if Bank Nifty also rallied, but it's okay. At least IT stocks have contributed very well today. So looking at the open interest, there was a huge put writing happening at 21,900, 21,800, 21,700. So now market is convinced that, the support will be very near. But again, we cannot conclude anything just by looking at the open interest, because when yesterday markets fell so much, people would have sold calls aggressively. Now when the market is reversing, and those people will be sitting with a good amount of loss in calls, to compensate that they may be selling puts aggressively. So anyway, so markets are looking good now. FIIs have bought for second straight day, but though they have bought only for 92 crores, but at least they have stopped selling. The domestic institutions, yesterday just an aberration, they have sold for about 1000 crore, but today they have bought for about 1000 crores. So today both FII and DII were net buyers. So if the global cues are good, so our markets can continue to move higher. Now with the support of IT stocks, if banking stock reverses, especially if HDFC Bank goes up by another 10-20 rupees, so markets can resume. And look at the contrast. And Nifty all-time high is 22,125, and today closing it's just only 200 points away. But Bank Nifty all-time high is 48,000 plus. Now it is even struggling below 46,000, a straight 2,300 or 2,400 point down, whereas Nifty is just down only by 200 points. So just imagine if Bank Nifty starts catching up, if Bank Nifty moves towards 48,000 plus, where the Nifty will go. So that's a hope for the bulls. So let us see who is going to win. We have February. This February is very, very rare. It is a 5-week series. So that's why markets are going all over the places. And moreover, since the February series started, the volatility is very, very high. I think this volatility may continue for few more days. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.